A trend line can be a valuable indicator on a graph. This tutorial will show you how to easily add a trend line to an Excel chart. Open Excel and make sure you have a graph with some data included. Trend lines are most often added to scatter graphs, and they look most effective in this format. As you can see here, we have some data in the graph that certainly does follow a trend. Right-click on any one of the points in the graph, and in the menu that appears, click Add Trend Line. The Format Trend Lines window will appear, and you will have several options. The most popular type of line to add is the linear trend line, and this is selected by default. You will see that it has been added to your graph automatically. Click on some of the other trend lines, and the line on the graph will automatically be changed to reflect this option change. Here we are sticking with the linear line, so select this and click Close. This is how to add a trend line to an Excel graph.